Alright, so today we're going to do the French knot, and I'm using a plastic needle with some yarn, so it's really big and oversized, so you should be able to kind of see what's going on. Because I'm using such a big needle, I'm using a piece of burlap, that way I can get it through my fabric. Alright, and this is how you do a French knot. So we're going to come up, and we're going to pull that up through our fabric. Alright, we're going to take our needle and we're going to wind it once, twice around. Alright, we're going to come back right next to where we came out. If you can see that, we're right next to where we came out. Alright, now we're going to pull the needle back through the fabric, but we're going to keep these little knotted areas pressed down with our finger very close to the fabric. This is actually easier to do with a smaller thread. We're going to just keep your thumb holding it down, or your finger when you're doing farther. Just pull, 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 and boop. There you have it. A French knot. We'll do another one just to kind of get another hang of it. So I'm coming up, pulling out. I'm going to wind once, twice the needle. Going to come right next to it, not in the same hole, just right next to it. Pull the needle down, hold your curls close to the fabric, and then pull the rest of the thread through and down. Boop. And now you have another French knot. Just because it's a little tricky, we'll do it one more time. Come up, and we're going to go. Ready? 1, 2. Alright, come down next to it. Press the curls down, hold them tight, and then we're going to just pull through, and wham! Another French knot. That's how you make the French knot. If you enjoyed the tutorials on how to do some of these embroidery stitches, please be sure to leave a like and maybe even subscribe, and I'll see about getting some more up. Alright.